Meaning of enteritis.
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 Enteritis. Enteritis is a medical condition that refers to inflammation of the small intestine. It can be caused by bacterial or viral infections, food allergies, and other factors. The symptoms of enteritis include abdominal pain, diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, and dehydration. These symptoms can vary in severity and duration depending on the underlying cause of the enteritis. In severe cases, enteritis can lead to complications such as malnutrition and damage to the intestinal lining. Immediate medical attention is recommended for anyone experiencing the symptoms of enteritis.